To jersey number 7, Dagay Luan. Pass to jersey number 31. To jersey number 8, perimeter jumper, 2 points. Pass to jersey number 8, to jersey number 13, to jersey number 8, to jersey number 7, Dagay Luan. 10 to shoot. 2 points, jersey number 7, pass to Limano. Casas for 3, go for 3 points. Jersey number 13 to jersey number 31, 2 points. Deep ball. Casas, Rosnano, Magas, 3 points. Magas, jersey number 31, to Adante, 3 points. Adante. Jersey number 77, 2 points. Casas Sariba, Casas, pull-up jumper. Casas Sariba, and shoot. Nakuha ni jersey number 31, jersey number 31, 2 points. Minutes and 55 seconds. Jersey number 7, 2 minutes. Jersey number 31, one pass, 2 points. Jersey number 1. Rebound by Adante, pass to Dagay Luan to jersey number 31, 2 points. Dagay Luan. The one Adante for 3 points. No good. 2 points. And there's a pin by Magas. Rosano, 2 points. Jersey number 16 to jersey number 10. Seconds to play, 50 seconds. 3 points. 10. 3 points. 5. To jersey number 9. To jersey number 8. Rosario. To Magas, no good. Rebound the jersey number 18. 3 points. Adante, to jersey number 9, 2 points. Pass to jersey number 9, jersey number 9, to jersey number 14. To jersey number 31, 2 points. By jersey number 14, pass to jersey number 31, to jersey number 9. Jersey number 9 to jersey number 15, 2 points. Number 31, 3-1, pass break, 2 points. Rosario, to Magas for 3, go for 3 points. Magas, Rosario for 3. Jersey number 16, Carlos Sayo, 2 points. 2 points. 35 seconds, Alaya. Rosario, for 3. Go for 3 points. Sergio Sailanem. 2 points, jersey number 7. Todo Ascobar, 2 points. Jersey number 7, Dagay Luan. Spedug, 2 points. Jersey number 7 and 15. Jersey number 77, no good. Rebound by jersey number 15, 2 points. Rosario. Thank you. 2 points. Rosario. Rebound by Serrales. To jersey number 7, Dagay Luan. To jersey number 15, pull-up jumper. 2 points. Rosado. To Rosario. Left pass. 2 points. Jersey number 10 to Astuca. 5. Rosado. 2 points. Rosado. Jose Reales. Pull-up jumper. Rebound by jersey number 31. 2 points. 46-45. The ball of Casas for 3. 3 points. Casas. Then we shoot. 2 points. Reales. 7. What a move. 2 points. Jersey number 7. Guarded by jersey number 77. Intercepted by Anante. Pass to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. 2 points. Then to shoot. 3 points. Back to Macas. Macas. Pass to Villarin. 2 points. 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Reales. Jersey number 77, 2 points. Jersey number 77, 2 points. Pamangantia. Second personal foul. Dagay Luan. And to shoot. Macas. 3 points. Jersey number 77, no good. 2 points. Reales. Rosado. Toto Astoban. 2 points. Jersey number 77. 2 points. Macas. 3 points. 2 points. And to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3 points. Rosado. Jersey number 31. 2 points. 25. Jersey number 31. To jersey number 15. 2 points. Jersey number 31. Rebound by jersey number 9. That pass. 2 points. Jersey number 5. 2 points. And to shoot. Rosario for 3. Jersey number 6 is on rebound. 2 points. Jersey number 8. Rosario to Casas. To Rosado for 3. Bukas na po nalipat. Tuwas na po. Rosario. Head to shoot. Pull-up jumper short. Rosario fade away. 2 points. Turn to the pass to Anante. 10 to shoot. Dagay Luan. 3 points. 2 points, Rosario. Cereales, 2 points. 77 to jersey number 7. Donante, 2 points. 5 seconds. Jersey number 77.